Man from Ladder 14 officer.
Okay.
We can get his keys or something. We can get up here and unlock this roof access door. We can start ventilation of the 6th floor.
Battalion 5, if you could send the maintenance guy up to the operations floor, get him up to the 6th floor or get the keys up to the 6th floor so we can start ventilation.
I copy. We're working on that now. I need him to meet me in the fire alarm control panel room first, and then I'll send him to you.
Copy.
Command, what's your location?
5th floor.
Squad 14. Okay, all clear.
3rd floor, all clear.
Investigator 1's on scene.
Ladder 14, engine on driver.
Go.
You guys on the 6th floor, I got the keys for you.
Yes, sir.
On the way.